We start every circle time with a pledge allegiance. Let's stand up and say that pledge allegiance. Right hand on our heart. Eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to my side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. I like those two glasses you have there, Mrs. Hill.
Oh.
Is that just in case you drop a pair?
Just in case it's sunny in here.
All right, we're looking at May, and it is May 7th. Tomorrow is the 8th, and then we have the 9th. But let's figure out what day today is.
Friday.
Here we go. I knew you knew it, but let's sing the song anyway, because you know I love it. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap. That's one. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Sunday.
There's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Snap, snap. Your turn.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Don't come and leave.
Bop, bop. Days of the week. Bop, bop. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, it is Friday, May 7th, 2021. We have three of each item. So we have suns and clouds. So I have sun, sun, sun. So I have three suns. Now I have kites. Kite, kite, kite. Now I have sun. What's going to go here? Sun. That gives me two suns. How many suns do I need? Three. So what am I going to put down here? A sun. Excellent. And then we'll see you on Monday where the star is. We said it was going to be sunny today, and it is sunny outside. It's beautiful. Definitely going outside today. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have? You can throw it right in that trash can. What kind of weather? It's too warm for snow. Snow is no longer possible. However, it is very cool. Sunny with some clouds. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're going to count all the way to 20. Wiggle that head around. Wake that brain up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Touch your ears. Touch your knees. Clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Up and down they go. Down they come. Up they go. Shake them around. Hands in your lap. Brains are awake. Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. Counting backwards, starting at 10. Let's go ahead and count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. some shapes. Let's go ahead. Everybody, can you unmute our friend at home too?
I can.
And all of our friends at home. Looking at a shape. It's a gray shape. What shape is that?
Oval.
Friend at home, what shape is it?
No, he just muted himself.
Oval. All right, everybody, including my friends at home, what shape is red?
Rhombus.
Mm-hmm. Friend at home, what shape is brown? Nice. All right, friend at home, what color is sadness?
Blue.
Uh-huh, and how about my triangle?
White.
Excellent, my friends here, what color is my Oreo?
Black.
And how about the, oh no, I almost said it. How about anger?
Red.
Red, awesome. All right, looking at some numbers. Let's have Mrs. Hill.
There it is.
Oh, everybody. What number is that?
8.
8. How about another one, Mrs. Hill? Ooh, what's that one? 12. All right, my friend at home, get ready. This is you. What
You
number?
have to do it there. I can't. You can't see me doing it.
You can't see. Can I do it?
Nope.
No. All right.
What's the very last number?
What's this number? 4.
4. Excellent. Can you point to the number 7?
Where's number 7?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, one more, my friend at home. How about the number 10? We struggled with that yesterday.
Present number 10.
Nope. Nope.
There you go. You got it the third time.
Yay, third time's a charm. All right, we're going on to our nursery rhymes, our last day for London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling. All right, what is this coin?
Done.
Not a dime, a penny. And we know it's a penny because it's a different color than the quarter and the dime and the nickel. It has a brown or copper color to it, where everything else is silver. What is this one? A nickel. A nickel. It's worth 5 cents. How many pennies? 5 pennies. This is a dime. And let's take a closer look at our dime and nickel. Take a look at the nickel. See how smooth it is around the outside? Now look here. Look at this one. It has ridges. So a dime is much smaller than a nickel, even though it's worth more, and it has ridges along the outside. It's bumpy. A dime is worth 2 nickels, or how many pennies? 10. 10 pennies, because it's worth 10 cents. Here's our quarter. Our quarter is bigger than all the other ones we're talking about. A quarter is worth 5 nickels. 2 dimes and 1 nickel, or 25 pennies. So you can have 25 pennies in your hand, or 1 nickel, and it's worth the same thing.
And then it would give you a bubble gum.
And then you can get, but I can't put 25 pennies in to get bubble gum. I have to put in a quarter. It won't take my 25 pennies. I have to put in a quarter. So a quarter trumps pennies because you want bubble gum. Look at all these letters we worked on, but today we are working on the letter A, and you're going to show us how to make it. So as we get our boards out, you're having it on your blue side because you're doing it on your own. What letter are we making? A. A says ah, ah, ah.
Like Ant-Man.
And Aurora. Yep, Sleeping Beauty. All right, getting our boards out. You're having on the blue side.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Like that.
Where do you start your letters
Let's try
at
that
the
again.
top? If you want to start a letter, then you letter. Remember to start at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to say a letter any better, 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 remember to start it at the top.
Look at that.
It's
It's
the
time.
top, top, top,
Wait up.
the top, 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 in the middle. It's the top, top, top. It's the top, top, top.
Where do you
Start
start
your
your
letters
letters
at
at
the
the
top. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top?
Anything out on that yet?
Is the top?
Reach out and touch the top.
Reach down. Way down. At the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach down and touch the bottom.
Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Top, bottom,
Shake it in the middle.
Bottom.
Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
I like how you're pointing.
Start your letters at the top.
Nice job.
If you want to start your letter any better, 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 remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top?
no, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the
Top, top, top. It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. Just hit it. All right, friends, it's your turn. Go ahead and make the letter A.
Like this? I did it.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Practicing the letter A at home, too.